Monetization is changing. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours may be over. According to the New York Times, which has obtained access to a recording from an internal meeting, YouTube creators will face a massive change in the monetization program and shorts, which will benefit small channels. According to the New York Times, there will be possible to make money through shorts and be able to place ads on shorts soon, and when I say soon, I mean possibly this week. The reason YouTube does this is to attract creators from TikTok to the YouTube platform. Today the YouTube Shorts have 1.5 billion users, which means there's a huge potential for making money. So what will the changes be when it comes to monetization? With today's YouTube rules, creators must have at least 4,000 watch hours of their videos, which not includes YouTube Shorts, and at least 1,000 subscribers. This may change. We can speculate, but the probability is high that both the requirement for the number of subscribers and watch hours will be lowered. There is also the possibility of shorts being counted as part of watch hours, which has not been done before. When we look at the split on an ad revenue, creators will continue to get a 55% split through a video ad revenue, but when it comes to shorts, the split will be 45%. So if you haven't already started a YouTube channel, the time is now. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated.